My Online Toolbox here. Today we are going to be focusing in on historic restoration specialists within the construction industry websites. This particular area requires special attention to how you amplify your services. So we're going to use a company called Vintage Window Restoration to show a perfect example of how you could take a step back and organize your marketing not only for cosmetic appeal but for inbound lead generation. When we go to the website, you could see here that as we scroll down, that there's beautiful pictures, of course. There's a great introduction to the company with a great cosmetic representation of who they are. And as you continue to scroll down, we see both residential as well as commercial projects. So they break down the topics in order to target the consumer correctly. And that is also found up on top of the website, that as we look at the various menu options, you'll see that when they're doing window restoration and wood preservation, that it's broken down both targeting a residential customer or a commercial customer. As we go to any of these individual pages, what you'll see is that when the pages come up, the website address is designed a specific way. The title tag, in order to alert the search engines, are done a very specific way. The content on the page is done wonderful with the images and what's behind the scenes. Again, it's called SEO, search engine optimization, so the search engines clearly understand what it is this particular topic is about. But what's even more impressive in this particular case, when you deal with restoration and preservation, it's a specialty, and you want to reach out to your customers so they can clearly appreciate what you do beyond just the images. In this particular case, the only way for you to be able to appreciate this, because we're not going to replay it as part of this particular presentation, is to go to the website. He deserves to be found by you. It's vintagewindowrestoration.com. Go to the About page, and when you look at the video and see how perfectly crafted it is to introduce his specialty, you'll realize why right now we're entering the summer. And you'll see here that he had to put on his contact section that he's so booked out that you better be specific in order for him to consider to work with you. And it's a wonderful position to be in. So he's not stopping people from finding him. He's just clearly making sure people realize that he's not looking to outbid every other unqualified contractor in the area, because he's highly specialized. We hope you can get to this point. As we leave the website side, you'll see that there are other elements that we introduced him to, such as Facebook, where when he makes a post, he has here, we have all these different comments. Somebody shared his post. We had almost 50 different reactions to the post, which is fantastic, which is why he's able to brag that he now has more than 400 people liking him. And when we started with him, he was just getting his Facebook going. But the Facebook was supporting the website, and the website was supporting the Facebook social side. When we leave both the social world as well as the website itself, you could see here that he's highly indexed. We know where he is. We know the areas he serves. We see that he has a breakdown of his services. We could meet the team. And also we see that he's accumulating reviews to show social validation of everything else he's promoting on Facebook as well as his website too. This is my online toolbox, reaching out to all historic preservation and renovation contractors, where if you're looking to create a website, before you decide on the website developer themselves, you must have a basic understanding of the minimum requirements that any website developer is going to have in order to you to have a good marketing mechanism that has cosmetic appeal as well as lead generation opportunities. We will also consider working with you with a strategic marketing plan, where not only do we educate you, but we help organize you to basically have you so well packaged on a silver platter that regardless of who the website company it is you choose, that you're perfectly organized for your services, perfectly organized for your locations, and you're perfectly organized to compete. This is my online toolbox, wishing all historic preservation and restoration companies the best of luck, and we hope to see you real soon.